Take a ride in the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.